Simplify the square root of 8 over 27. Take the square root of the numerator and denominator separately. In the numerator, 8 equals 4 times 2. The root of 4 is 2, so move it outside. In the denominator, 27 equals 9 times 3. The root of 9 is 3, so move it outside. The denominator still contains square root 3. Rationalizing removes that root. Square root 3 over itself equals 1. Multiply by this factor. The value stays equal. Multiply across the numerator, then across the denominator. On top, multiply the roots to get square root 6. On the bottom, square root 3 times itself is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. The simplified exact value is 2 square root 6 over 9.